Do you ever wonder where your money disappears every month? I'll share a simple step-by-step monthly budgeting plan that will help you save more, spend smarter, and take control of your money. First, write down your total monthly income. Include salary, side hustles, and any other regular income. Next, list your fixed expenses, like rent and EMIs. Also utilities and insurance. Then write down variable expenses. Groceries, transport, eating out, shopping, and entertainment. Now choose a budgeting method. A popular one is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income goes to needs. Think rent, groceries, utilities, and essentials. 30% is for wants. Dining out, subscriptions, shopping, and fun. 20% goes to savings and investments. You can adjust these percentages to fit your lifestyle. Finally, review your budget each month and make small adjustments. Budgeting gives every rupee a purpose. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend.